So welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see sound lesson. First part is sound introduction. Sound is a form of energy that produces vibration and it's an important role in our life and it helps us to communicate with each other. We hear a wide variety of sound in our surroundings. Then what produces? Sound produces vibration, vibrating body or vibration. Vibration is a to and forth and back and forth motion of an object. It's known as vibration. Then for example, if you strike a school bell, it vibrates, produces sound. Then if you stretch a rubber band, it vibrates and produces sound. So next one, musical instrument. Some musical instrument will produce sound when they beaten or stuck together. It's okay. So bell, gatham, manjira, jalter and etc. So then some musical instrument with the vibrating parts. Veena, stretched string. Tabla, stretched membrane. Flute, air column. Sitar, stretched string. Drums, stretched membrane. Guitar, stretched string, violin, stretched string. Then, sound produced by human, animals, plants. Plant also will produce sound, children. Sometimes plants also will be speaking together. So, in humans, sound produced by voice. And another name of that is larynx. So then it is the upper part of the windpipe. So it is the upper part of the windpipe. So if two vocal cords stretched together across the larynx, leaving a narrow slit. When the lungs force air through the slit, it vibrates and produces sound. Then, what are all the three propagation of sound? Sound requires or needs a medium to propagate. Sound travels through solids, liquids, gases. Sound does not travel in vacuum. For example, sound travels through the solid thread of paper cup telephone. A whale listens to the reflected sound is in water to locate its prey. If I hear sound in water means I can't. The air only will be there in the water. Air only will be traveling in the water. So next one, what is human? How do we hear sound? By the organs called ear. So sound enters through the ear canal and it makes eardrum to vibrate. So I'll pass us through the ear canal. So then eardrum to vibrates. So I'm having thumb. Okay. It going to this and it goes to this and it goes to this. Finally last finger it goes. In the last finger is called a brain. Think like that and study. So sends the vibration to the inner ear and eardrum sends vibration to the inner ear. In that the signal goes to the brain. So we hear a sound. What is structure of human? So outer ear called pinna. Pinna collects sound waves. Then bones. 3 amplified bones. Are 3 bones in the middle ear. Mainly stapes, incus, malleus, semicircular canals, nerve fibers, cochlea. Ear stretching tape, eardrum, ear canal. So I told that the outer ear called pinna which collects sound waves. Then these sound waves pass through the ear canal and it's through the ear canal and passes to the eardrum. In that it goes to the inside ear, inner ear, and from there it goes to the brain. Give the signal to the brain and then brain interprets the signal as sound. Then properties of sound waves, amplitude, frequency, time. So amplitude, maximum displacement on oscillating body, it is called from its mean position. If I am pulling the ball here, so I am rolling the ball here and it comes like to me. So they are telling it means the position. It's called amplitude. Then the amplitude of sound waves is the height of the crest and stroke. It is represented by the letter called A. A means amplitude. So SI unit of amplitude, meter. Then what do you mean frequency? The number of oscillation, it's called frequency. So it denotes letter called T and represent also. So SI unit of frequency is hertz. Longest form is hertz, shortest form is Hz. So the time period, the time taken for one oscillation, time period. So it denotes the symbol or letter called time period T. So SI unit of time period is second. So this time is having second. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds and like go on. So frequency and time period. Formulas, time period 1 by frequency. Frequency for one oscillation. Frequency equal to 1 by time period. Then loudness and pitch of sound. The loudness of sound depends upon the amplitude of vibration. If the amplitude is less, the sound is feeble. Sound is feeble. So the amplitude is low, sound is low. So the unit of loudness called decibel. So the pitch of sound depends upon frequency of vibration. For example, if the frequency is less, then the sound has low pitch. Frequency is less, sound has low pitch. For example, sound of a drum, sound of an adult, etc. Then, if the frequency is more than sound has high pitch. For example, sound of movement, sound of a whistle, etc. Then, audible and inaudible. So, audible sound which we can hear. It is a range from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Between that, inaudible which we can't hear, cannot hear, will not pronounce like can't, cannot, take. So the range is less than 20 Hz and more than 20,000 Hz. Sound waves whose have frequency are more than 20,000 Hz. 20,000 Hz called ultrasonic. Example, animals like dolphin, dogs, bats, which can hear ultrasonic sound. Then sound waves whose frequency are less than 20 Hz, it means infrasonic sound. Animals like elephant, whale, etc. can hear infrasonic sound. So these are the differences. So what is noise and music? So music is a sound which is pleasant to hear. But noise is a sound which we can unpleasant to hear. So musical is produced by regular or periodic. Then noise is irregular and non-periodic. For example of musical, sound produced by musical instrument, what I told, for strike or struck or beaten like that, sound of a person singing a song. Then for this, if all the students speak in the classroom at the same time, it is called noise. Next noise pollution. Presence of excessive or unwanted sound in the environment called noise pollution. Causes of noise pollution. Sounds of vehicles, explosion, various machine sounds, loudspeakers, etc. In home, noise pollution is caused by television, radio machines, musical systems, high volumes, some kitchen appliances, as decibel air conditioner. So noise, harmful noise pollution that affects problems like lack of sleep, hypertension, stress, high blood pressure, anxiety. Person exposed to loud sound continuously make it temporary or permanent impairment. So the harmful to limit noise. Noise pollution can be reduced by the silencer, vehicles, industrial machines and home appliances. In home, it will be reduced by the televisions or the playing methods or by using the kitchen appliances like musical speakers, loudspeakers, musical instruments, it's like that. And reducing use of vehicle orange, planting more trees along river, road,